quality made in Germany. This is what we at Rolf Benz work on every day since 1964. At the edge of the Black Forest, we produce high-end upholstered furniture for customers in over 50 countries. In our 2 facilities near the headquarters in Nagold, traditional craftsmanship meets innovative manufacturing. It all starts with the freedom of choice. We let our customers choose from a selection of 100 different leathers and more than 200 different types of fabric, each thoroughly tested before being approved for further processing. Handling these treasures to create the highest quality requires high-tech knowledge and a lot of experience. One of our highest goals is to be efficient. Dealing with the finest natural materials and producing more than 100,000 units a year makes efficiency even more meaningful. Our state-of-the-art technology helps reduce waste and guarantees a sustainable use of resources. Whether fabric or leather, each fitting contains up to 25 pieces, and each fit needs to be prepared and patterned with cotton wool, providing a heavenly sitting experience. Stitching needs precision in order to be wunderbar. Yes, our covers look outstanding, but true beauty comes from the inside. Our South German beechwood construction is built with lots of passion and our well-known efficiency to achieve the best quality while maximizing conservation of resources. In our pre-upholstering, we combine hardwood with foam. The anatomy of our sofa mimics your body. We combine harder foam materials to support your body wherever you need it and spoil you with loads of optional cushioning wherever you feel it. The result, a unique experience of sitting that lasts for years. In terms of the upholstery, this requires the right touch and lots of experience to create the perfect match between the furniture corpus and the precious skin. Just like a custom-made suit, the cover encloses the corpus with the right amount of leeway. A personalized masterpiece. Made in Germany means quality in every detail. And we do more than just double-check everything on our piece of furniture. Because the only thing we accept is what you expect from Rolf Benz. Nothing but wunderbar.